This video which I'm actually introducing to you, or this particular platform which I'm actually introducing to you today, you can make at least 1,000 per day. It's not like the very last one which I actually introduced where I said you have to pay 2,000 just to register. But this one, you don't need to pay any registration fee. You just need to sign in, as simple as that, and then you can make up to 1,000 per day. And if you make up to 1,000 per day, or if you're able to make one up to 1,000 per day, then that means per week you can make up to 7,000 naira. It's just simple tasks like following, commenting a YouTube video, or just liking a Twitter post, and that is all you have to do. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you just to show you this particular one, and then of course you will see how everything works. You can see on the platform, it's just as simple as doing four steps, which is create an account, link your social media, then perform tasks and withdraw earnings. So this first step, and then you are good to go. When you scroll down, you see the sentence that say earn money by helping other people grow. So over 100 daily tasks. That is so easy. I'm going to show you how much they actually pay for each tax in a jiffy, so just relax. And then when you scroll down, you see register. So when we click just to register, you just need to register, signing up with your email address, then type in a password. Okay, of course I already registered on the website, so I'm just going to be logging in. So after logging in, you will come to this particular platform. Of course, the mobile app is actually, or the mobile platform is actually great than the desktop version. I'm using the desktop version right now, but the mobile one, I've been doing it on mobile, but just to show you, I'm actually using the desktop version. So when you come on your dashboard, you will see how much you've made so far. You see I've already made 42 naira so far. I've done a lot of taxes, and you see my pending earnings. These are taxes which I have done, and I'm waiting for the approval from the people who actually posted the tax. And then when you come on the tax here, you see tax that are available. You can see this one: join WhatsApp group for 4 naira, comment on a reel for 4 naira, follow my page for 6 naira, so and so on. You can see this one, visit this website for 9 naira, visit this website for 8 naira. You can see, and so on and so forth. And you can see it has 29 pages. That means if you calculate how much, if you're able to perform all these taxes on a page, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You have 10 taxes on the page, and you have 29 pages. So do the mathematics. Even if it's just 5 naira per tax, and then times 29, you know how much that is going to earn you, and that is per day. The second day you can come back, there are other new taxes for you to actually complete. And how do you actually complete this tax? Let's just see how you complete each of these tags. So I'm going to be picking a tax as an example just to show you. So let's take Twitter for example. This one said follow profile. So we need to follow this Twitter page, and it's paying us for that to do that. So we need to click on perform tax, and when you click on perform tax, you see the instruction here: visit the profile, click on follow, and then we need to upload a screenshot. Yeah, so we need to click on this particular link, and you see it's actually open the Twitter handle, and what I just need to do is then click on follow. So after clicking on follow, then what I need to do again is then make a screenshot. I need to make a screenshot of it to show that I followed. So I make a screenshot. After making this screenshot, and then I need to then upload this screenshot. And then to show that I actually complete the task. So let me upload the screenshot. I'm just gonna give me a sec to save the screenshot. So I've saved the screenshot, and then I'm going to be uploading the screenshot. It's under my download. When I click on download, you can see the screenshots here, and they open. So I've actually uploaded the screenshot just like that. You can see it's visible there. I've followed and I've uploaded the screenshot, and the next time I'm just going to do is just mark and complete. So I just need to click on mark and complete. After I click on mark and complete, then it is done. Then I will wait for it to actually be approved. So I then wait for this particular task to be approved. Then I can also close the page when I'm done. So I'm just going to close this page because I'm done with that, and then I'll be waiting for it. So if you check on different pages, then you will see how much you can actually earn from everything. You can see there are a lot of taxes here which you can actually complete when you scroll. This is page 3, this is page 4, this one is like a TikTok post, and so on and so forth. It's also have a referral program. You see, I've not referred anybody yet because I was still testing the platform just to know if they actually work and if they actually pay. And to withdraw also, you can see here, withdraw your earnings directly to your bank. So you need to add your bank details. When you click on edit bank, and here you can actually select all the Nigeria banks which are available on the list. I can see Wema, I can see Skype, I can see Polaris, I can see GTB. Almost all the even PalmPay and OPay are actually listed on this platform. So after that, once you have enough money, then you can actually withdraw. If you come under tax again, you see all the taxes that are available. When you come under dashboard, you see how much you've earned, and you can see I was having 26 for pending earnings before, and you see now it's 30 because 4 naira has been added to the tax, to the other tax which are actually completed. So that is how it actually work on this particular website. You can also check the last video which I actually uploaded, which I was talking about on that website. This one, they pay you 1,000 naira for you to refer somebody, and which is, that is a lot. That is a lot actually. But for this one, you don't need. Yeah, you can refer someone if you like. You get 6% for what the person you actually refer, for what they actually hear. You get 6% from it, and that is how it works on this platform. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like and the subscribe button, because I'll be dropping another video, and you don't want to miss that video. If you don't know me, or if you are just viewing my video for the first time, my name is Akere. I talk about how to earn online, if you should try some things that you see online, and if you shouldn't. So you can check my past video. If you check my last video, I actually talked about a website which is actually paying right now, and I already made 9,000 from this website. So check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description to check this out. Check it out. I'm going to put the link to this particular platform also, so also check it out. Also check that out also. So that's all for this video. Until I catch you in the next one, stay cool and stay safe. Bye for now.